Welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. This is just a quick share of some paper stacks that I got from Kaisercrafts. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's see what I got. I showed these in a previous video, but I didn't actually open them up and show you what was in them. This is the Romatique collection. First off, we have Parisian, and then we have a butterfly border with some wallpaper, and there is two of everything. Then we have Boudoir, which is floral, and on the back we have this cute little corner pattern and just a material texture. Love, friendship, beauty, believe, happiness, lovely, perfect and treasured. Then we have Primrose, which is butterflies, and on the back we have the birds up in the corner, a little bit of lace, a textured background, some script in the background and ledger, and then some butterflies at the bottom. Then we have the hydrangeas, and this is called Eiffel. And on the back we have the fleur-de-lis and then some lace as the border. This one is called Boutique. We have floral and wood grain, and on the back we have some stripes with the fleur-de-lis at the bottom. Then we have Lacy with these gorgeous flowers on the front, and on the back we have the lace. Kindness comes in many forms but always from the heart. And then we have our sticker sheet, which has long word borders which you could cut down to use for things, some shorter words, a bird, some flowers, butterflies, the wallpaper pattern, some hearts, some lace, and then some cute little stickers down here. This one, are they joined? Nope, they are separate, so you can use each sticker separately. So thank you for being amazing. Perfect moments spent with you. There's beauty in everything. You are so beautiful. I love you and smile every day. And then we have some little stickers. They have a little piece cut out of the top, so they look like that, and they are quite thick cardstock stickers. And then this one says happiness, beautiful, lovely, perfect, amazing, charming, love. Captured moments, time, remember, smile, memories, beauty. Then that one is the same as that, and that is the same as that. They're just different colours. Every single moment you are writing is the story of your life. So that's the Romatique. Next is Anthology, and we have a beautiful layered ephemera piece with birds and feathers and maps and ledger and all sorts of wonderful things. And on the back of that we have spots. The language of friendship is not words but meaning. Then we have Entomology, moths and butterflies. These are the best days of our lives, and it has a very faint pattern I'm hoping you can see. Plumology, which is feathers, and on the background is a grid pattern. Home is where you find your heart and all of your favourite people. Botanical, it has a very faint script newspaper type background, and on the back it has flowers and says don't forget to enjoy the little things. Then we have the library drawers. Oh my goodness, I love these. Apothecary, and then we have layered documents, scripted, typed, and moment by moment we create our life adventures together. Then we have stripes, and on the back, this one's called cartography, so we know what's on the back. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. I love that. I was struggling to choose which ones to get, and then they did a second 50% off, and what can I say? We have the compasses and clocks, birds, butterflies, moths, with the drawers, numbers, flowers, feathers, film strip, lots of words. Collect these moments and carry them with you. Happy birthday, my favourite thing, I love this day. Remember this, so blessed, it's the little things. And then a tape measure. So that's the Anthology collection. And then lastly in this video is the Wandering Ivy. First off we have blue fields with the blue flowers and green leaves, and then there's some pale steel blue type flowers in the background, just the outlines. Then we have another wallpaper type design. Friendship is one of the great and beautiful things in life. Then we have ivy wall, so we have plant up the top and the fence palings. And then we have this beautiful, like a wrought iron roof design. It's nice to spend time with someone that makes you smile and just be yourself. And then we have cobalt, flowers with the blue background. And then this reminds me of old, really old sheets from when I was like a little girl. Our time together is never quite enough. Plaster rose, so we've got the plastered background, we've got a little bit of the wrought iron coming in, we've got some text and the flowers. And on the back we have the flowers, and because of you I laugh a little harder, cry a little less and smile a lot more. And then we have itty bitty flowers, blue posy, and then we have green background with spots and script in the spots. These are the best days of our lives. And we have something that I've not actually seen in the Kaisercrafts collection before. It's a white background with the newspaper print on the front, and I've not actually seen it ever on white. So that's a first for me. I'm not sure if they've done it before. They may have. And then we have the lush green ivy on the back, and every picture has a story. Then we've got a tape measure, lace, flowers, leaves, the wrought iron type border, different clocks, which are joined but you can easily cut round them, more lace. Every heart sings a song, incomplete until another heart whispers back, Play-Doh. And then we've got shorter borders with best memories with you, great days ahead, amazing, keep me in your heart, write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. That is the Wandering Ivy collection. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the 3 paper stacks, Wandering Ivy, Anthology and Romatique. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. I will link my planner channel up here in case you're interested. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.